Okay, ito na po ang ating panghuling laro po sa ligong ito sa ating Saturday Night Basketball action between Boleros playing black and fiery combination versus Cas playing black and red combination. Okay. This is your, ano po ito? Ano po ito? Mr. RBG Vlogs. Teka lang. Gana pa ako ng ano? Sayang, boss. Okay lang, boss. Bawi. Bawi tayo.
Unang ma-interview ako eh. Gawin mo natin.
Okay, teka na po. Ralph Castro is watching. Oy, Ralph Castro, nasan ka? Ba't wala ka rito? Okay. You're watching right the boss at the first quarter action now between Cas and Boleros. Of course, nandiyan si Boss JP, nandiyan si Ron, si number 5, nandiyan din. Idol. That's number 5. Thank you, sir. That's Mr. Arnan. Saan po nandiyan si number 45 at sino po nasa dulo? Yan po si number 6. Yan. Naka-duty parating kaya eh. Nagpala kasi si Santos, of course, and si Defensor naman, kaya main man. Of course, nandiyan si Canton, si Ferdinand Canton. Nandiyan si Umas. Of course, si Coach. Nandiyan din. Maglaat si Boss Lena. Kakalan pa lang. Oy, yun lang. Pahinga ka muna, sir. Okay, first quarter action will start right now in 3, 2, 1. Opening tip-off. Nandun kay Lena ang bola. Nandun kay Umas. Pops up, Coach Rocamora. No good. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Ito na, binababa ang bola. Ito po tayo ngayon. Santos, now to JP. JP barrels through. No good. Rebound, Defensor. The other main man. And si Ferdinand Canton. Na Canton, pasa kay Umas. 2 points. Umas, 2 points. Umas as. Wala si Asinho ah. JP, tukot, balakas. At nandiyan si Defensor. Kick pass, kagad kay Umas. Umas, naipit, out of bounds. Nice game, boss. Nice game. Nice game, boss. Nice game. Ingat kayo. Binabang bola ngayon. Of course, ito mga si Santos. Now to Santos again. Tul Arnan for 3. Nope. It's Ron. No good. Rebound. Uy! JP. Wala pa rin. Canton to Mr. Defensor. Defensor. Oh! Si Daisy. Nice pass. Not red. Di po nakuha. Siguro pagod din si Pareño kanina dahil kakabakasyon lang din. Kaya si Budong kasi wala nang mga players like the likes of course si Mercado, Mungkal, wala rin. Palpal, Barts, nandun kick, pass kagay, Umas ang bola. Umas sa kontrol ng bola. Kay Carter de Canton, ayun na! Tapos ang bola kay Gilmore. Defensor, 2 points. 8:05 remaining. Binababa ang bola at 8 minutes remaining. Hello, ma'am. Tingnan po. O, sige, samahan nyo. O, JP. Hop, si Daisy nawala ang bola. Ito naman si Ferdinand Canton. Canton, kay Lena. Lena nga, ayun lang. Lena, hindi nakuha yung bola. Okay, balik muli po sa Boleros ang bola. At Fornan po tayo. Fornan Santos, number 6. Kick, pop, 3 points, no good. Rebound by Mr. Defensor. Kalat to. Sabi niya, kalat to kayo. Kumalat kayo. Defensor for 3. Bang, bang. 3 points, Defensor. Naka-3 points at 7-9 at 7:13 remaining. Nice one. Nice.
Pinindot niya. Wala nang pinindot mo.
Si Daisy Canton, Ferdinand Canton. Canton. Ayun, ang ganda. Umas, malalim. Labas mo na raw. And defensor for 3. Ayaw. Labas na raw. Kick pass kay Canton. Canton for 3. Bang! Sirin! What a ringer shot by Canton. Nice ringer shot by Canton. 6:37 remaining. Boleros is yet to score sa larong ito. Arnan, Barts, JP, malalim. Again, third dinner Canton. Canton. Uy! 2 points. And time out po kagad. Dinagustuhan po ang nangyari po sa Boleros. Pero teka lang po muna. Magpapakilala muna po tayo. Ito po ang A-Base Friendly Doubles of Flag now in its 5th season already. Ito po ay pangdog po sa inyo po ng aming panel sponsors, Team LBC, Halang Padala, and Trade Needles. Saan po na po dyan SP ang SBB Ara, and of course ang Facebook Basketball League. And of course, ito po ang ating mga participants sa ating season number 5, Cabin Line Hub. Mechanicals, nandito po ang Infrights, Oryx Basketball Team, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, Raiders, and QR Towers. And this is still the eliminations, and now you're watching the final game for this week between Boleros and CAS. Maraming salamat po. Hello! Okay, ito po. At meron po tayong mga bisita po sa ating pong ano. Yan po, si Madam Lena, kasama kanyang supling. In support po para kay Papa, kay Daddy Lena. Paps at Arnan Kapos, again, ayun lang. And defensor, binababang bola. Hinahara si Ron, okay, good ball. Uy, kick pass, Omas. Lena for 3. Yeah! In and out. Inulog palabas. And Santos. Nando si defensor. Good ball. Out of bounds. Balik sa kasambola. Nice hustle play by Mr. Defensor. Nice hustle play.
Potential last 2 possession tayo ha. Or in the last possession, prepare second unit.
Okay, Coach Rocomora for the inbound. Nice shoes. Ganda sa pad si Coach. Nice nito. Canton. Nice hustle play. Foul!
Jersey number 6.
Foul, jersey number 6, Santos.
Ron, first personal foul, first team foul, 14 shot clock.
Binababa ang bola. Now number 3.
Prepare second unit. 10 shot clock.
Anton. Pops up for 3. Lako, kaldag. 5:07 remaining. Barts.
Pass to Arnan.
Arnan. Hustle play by Umas. Binatong bola kay defensor. Coach Rocomora. Wala. Nice stop kay Santos muli. Santos, binababa ang bola. Al-Ain Lim is watching. Santos. Foul. Santos go for foul.
Jersey number 10, Lena.
And palit pair po tayo. The score is 12-9 at 4:46 remaining. First quarter action.
Basket.
Okay, Santos. Okay, shot. Papasok si Benji para kay Santos. Binabang bola. Op, teka lang. Sino lalabas? Okay, di ba siya lalabas muna? Pili. Labas si Canton muna. Para kanino? Para kay David. Para kay Lena. Barangay Rules pala po ngayon. Ang konti po is subject po sa pagpili po ng marami na player. Parang yung dati niyan sa kung naalala ko yung sa PSME dati. Okay, pero nandiyan si Contreras. 3 points by Contreras, pinasok agad ang bola. Benji, pasa, ayaw. Ayun na, Losada, pops up, pasok sana. Rebound, nawala ang bola. Roldan, ayaw. Coach Racomora. David,
10 shot clock.
Contreras, Banksy din.
Contreras, back-to-back 3.
Di lang pala pang perimeter, pang triple si Contreras ngayon ha. Palong-palo. Okay, ito po tayo yun. Ito naman, number 28, Benji. Ayan na naman,
10 shot clock.
pops up, Losada, wala. 88, pops up, wala. 88 muli, 2 points.
Basketball Dolantes.
22, 2 points. That's Dolantes. Good ball. Benji, nakanakaw.
Steal by Benji.
Benji, 2-on-1, 2-on-3, 2-on-3 on 2. Nando si Contreras.
David now, pass. Dolantes.
Roldan, number 1, Roldan.
Roldan, kick out.
Okay, pass, hindi na kontrol ni Coach Racomora ang bola. Pops sa Benji. Wala. Roach control Mora. David wala. Mambunga.
Bumawit na rin na.
Naka-rebound now to Mr. 22. Dolantes. Mabunga. Mabunga again. Pops up. No good. Batong bola. Mataas ang bola.
Rebounds, another turnover. Padilla, one back.
2 points. 18-6. 12 kalabangan. 150 remaining. Number 10. Number 7. Pops up. 17.
David.
Wala. Out of bounds. Same ball daw, sabi referee. Lena. Good ball. Out of bounds. A minute and 21 remaining. Benji.
1 minute 10 seconds.
Babunga.
Mabunga.
Padilla.
Big to Padilla.
Benji. Pops up. Malakas.
Wala pa rin. Rebound. Padilla.
Padilla. Losada. Ayaw.
Shot clock.
Losada.
5 to shoot.
Benji. Banks rin. Shoutout kay Ralph Cason. Sabi ni Juice Mabagay. Benji kayo naka-intercept.
14 seconds.
Benji. Losada. For 3. Nope. In and out.
Rebound.
Coach Racomora.
Pass to Roldan. 30 seconds. Roldan.
Dan. Contreras. In and out.
Rebound Roldan. Swing to David.
Uy!
Contreras. Lena.
Lena.
Attacking.
Lena. Malakas.
15 seconds. 10 seconds. Game clock. 5 seconds game clock. Nice pass.
Uy! Padilla. Wala na.
And the first quarter.
Okay, after first quarter, the score is 18-8. Lamang po ang CAS.
After the ball game, ball will be awarded to Boleros.
Boleros ball. Bola na Boleros. Jervis Hernandez watching. Oy, Arnado, wala ka rito. Ba't wala ka rito, boss? Ha? Mr. Arnado, where are you? Babagay, sabi kay shout out kay third dinner Canton. Santos for 3, wala. Eh, si Defensor naman. Defensor to third dinner Canton naman. Canton, now to Roldan. Roldan number 1, pops up. Bala. One more time. One more time. Eto na po tayo. Third dinner Canton, siya nagtitumang yun. And si Defensor. Defensor, pops up for 3, long 3. Wala, rebound JP.
Rebound JP.
Jurex Dupa Preview si third dinner Canton. Eto na, Canton na si Babagay. Wala mang robos dyan. O yun, intercepted lang. Binabang bola lang ito. Okay. JP, okay. Si Daisy, ganda. Kick pass kagad kay Pasi. 2 points Pasi. Binabang bola ngayon. Okay, 18-10. Laman na 8. Defensor and 1 play.
Basket is good.
Basket is good para kay Defensor. Basket is good. And plus 1 shot pa. Possible 3-point play para kay Mr. Defensor.
Ron, second personal foul.
Out.
Defensor. Missing the
Binabang bola. Pops up. Wala. Rebound.
JP with the rebound.
JP na rebound. JP Jolens. Pasok. Ay, sorry. Dinano. Pasok si Jolens. Si JP. Pwede ng JP. Lena. Pops up. No good. Rebound passing. Mali pasa. Third general Canton. No good still. Rebound by JP.
Pass to
Santos. Nandun si Defensor. Defensor running through.
Behind the pass. There by Pasi.
Ouch. Pasi.
4 against 1. Canton is waiting. Pull up Jay.
Uy. Ron.
Ron, ang dami ng defense of Dena. Santos.
Wala pa rin. Roldan. Nice one. Wala pa rin. JP. 2 points JP. Okay, time out Cass.
6-point lead.
Alin na lang po from the high of 14 now down to 6. 7:20 remaining po. Second game po natin yun sa ating Saturday Night Live basketball action.
Anton. Is not Meron. There's a blocking foul. Foul committed on jersey number 77, Pasi. First personal foul.
Okay, third din na Canton shooting for 2. 2014 po tayo.
Basket. Increasing the lead to 7 for Cavs.
Both basket made. Najib McGarber ni Sir is watching. Si Ralph J. Si J.R. Martin Vista is watching also.
Kaganato. Pass to
Ron.
Ron.
No. Rebound. Tip in kay Canton. Canton binabagola.
Almost a steal.
Okay, Lena. Roldan. Roldan. Tomas. Lena for 2.
Jumper.
Bangs it in.
What one?
Nice play by Lena.
Passing.
Passing.
Pass to JP.
JP.
Double team.
Double team. Passing.
Swing to Kaganato.
Pops up. Wala.
Rebound Defensor. Canton. Sliding.
Pasok ang bola kay Canton.
Basket.
3:6:20 remaining. Third quarter action coming up.
Back to 12-point lead.
12 minutes lamang from the lobe 6. Porcas.
Santos. Ron. Short jumper. Good. Nabutas din.
Sasabihin.
Roldan. Pass to Canton.
Defensor.
Lena.
Lena. Bangs it in.
Basket.
Back-to-back basket by Michelle Lena. Back-to-back basket po kay Papa Lena.
Second unit, prepare, ha? 5 minutes to 30 seconds. Passing.
Pops up.
Guarded by
Nope.
Canton. Rebound. JP. Kaganato.
No bullshit. Passing na rebound.
Steve Balta.
Roldan. Pow!
77.
Ron called for a foul.
17.
And of course, si Mr. Roldan, papasok mo. Magpapasok.
Change unit.
Palit po tayo po.
Ron. First personal foul. 30 foul. One out.
Okay, at 5:30 remaining, 26 score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang CAS. Of course, okay, defensor, rest muna daw siya. At papasok muli po, of course, same team po, si Lena at si Coach Rocomora at sa amin si Umas team po. At si Roldan, inakababad si Roldan din. Yung mga starters muna, di na pinapapasok. Okay, now the bait to Roldan again. Roldan, number 1.
Roldan.
And kick pass to Contreras for 3.
Contreras.
Tapos,
Short. Padilla. Rebound.
Losada.
Pass to Lozada.
Pinapapambaw ng Losada. Wala. Losada muli. Wala pa rin. Uy.
Sotis. Mabunga.
Time out.
Foul. Tingnan natin.
Pakicheck lang po. Losada.
Palit tayo.
Sub. Nalog si Losada. Nalog. Naniyate yung natapilok ng bahagya. Of course, si Contreras, pinalilabas ang bola. Now, to Roldan, number 1. Now, to Contreras.
Contreras.
Wala. Rebound. Now, again, Santos. Santos nagmamadali. Santos. Sliding. Yun. Nice one. Mabunga. Santos. Tumabunga. Ipa-assist. Mabunga for the point. Pops up. Number 17. Paso ang bola. Again. Plus 3 na naman muli po. 31-18. A 30-point advantage when enjoyed still by CAS. Si Madam Joanna also is watching. Good evening po siya, Madam. Arnam for 3. Wala. Ayun lang, palpal. May foul.
Santos, labas muna Santos. Sila mamimili doon sa kanina, sa interview. Sir, sila po mamimili, interview.
Okay, Santos, sino po pipili yan? O, labas muna.
Yung 77 daw, kasi pumasok.
Okay, Pasi, ito papasok daw.
Napasok na si Mars Martina, nakapasok na.
Okay, ang
Pasi.
kick pass kagad. Contreras. David, wala. Rebound.
Benji.
Oy, foul on coach. Coach called for the foul.
First personal, first team foul, Gas. 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Ten shot clock. Mabunga. Rebound. Nakamora. Masih. Benji. Jumper. Down to 11-20. Contreras. Baseline J.
Bang si Dem Contreras.
Buat na bola pa na natin.
Contreras, 2 points.
Two minutes, 45 seconds. Passing.
Wala.
Rebound. Knock to Alex.
Roldan, Omas.
Roldan.
Roldan, wala.
There's a foul on jersey.
Joby, Omas, binabati ka siya. Okay, Omas, binabati ka ni Joby. Okay, ayan, kumakaway yun.
Warning for penalty.
Okay, Roldan, first shot, pasok.
Score on is 34-20, 14-point lead.
Second shot again, pasok din. 35-20, a 50-point advantage now been enjoyed by Cas over Boleros. Sam or si Benji. Pasi.
Passing.
Okay, Benji, creating space. Jolens, 2 points. Palpalbagya, pero pumasok.
Counter basket for the lead.
David, 2 points. Binababang bola. Ito na, binabang bola. Nawala ang bola. David.
Pass to Roldan.
Roldan to David. O yun lang, walang sumalo.
Sir Alex na sa kaliwa.
Walang sumalo.
Number 7.
Pops up, wala.
Benji, wala. Rebound, Nakamura. 1 minute, 40 seconds.
Scott binabam. Nanonood si Scott yun. Roldan. 17, pops up. Wala. Again, pamata. Ayun. Oy, may foul. Dinig na dinig yun.
Foul on jersey number 77. 13. Penalty tayo. Benji, second personal foul.
Global Universe, yun. Ito. Dahil mabuto. Binaba. Okay, 38-22, a 16-point advantage now being enjoyed by Cas at 1 minute 23 remaining.
Pumukol ng res. Rebound Contreras. Accelerating.
Omas, wala!
Jersey number 77. Passing. Second personal foul.
Okay, Umas, first shot. Pasok.
Basketball pass. Grabe yung pulso ngayon ito. 1 minute, 5 seconds.
A minute 5 remaining. Sulfur dioxide. Babunga. Pasi kumakat, ayaw.
Legit, sweet contact.
Arnan,
Wide open.
malakas. Babunga.
Mabungan.
Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line ka, boss.
9 seconds remaining. David.
Sabi again. Wala. Rebound. Padilla. Eto na. Mabunga. Pops. Wala. Out of bounds.
14 seconds.
Ah! Malakas!
9 seconds.
Arnam for 3.
Making the shot. Bumuko ng 3. Air ball.
Wala na. Sayang. Okay, tara. Okay, halftime po tayo. The score is 40-22. Laman po ng 18 ang CAS. Tingin ulit tayo. See you on Friday. Pero papost ko. Ha?
Sino panalo din sila?
Si Scott, panalo sila Scott. Panalo sina ano. Panalo sina Scott. Panalo sina ano to? Airport United. Panalo rin kahapon.
Wala pa nila.
Nag-delete ko na. Teka.
Boss Martin, may third game pa ba to?
Wala na boss. Wala na. Wala. Ano na? Lasa kayo. Lasa kayo. Nag-delete ko na. Nag-delete ko na yung mga naglaro kahapon. Okay, si Pasi yata titira. Gulo yung tayo siya. Okay, 3 minutes. Wala pa rin.
Third quarter, ball pass.
Okay, bola to ng Cas. Roldan for the inbound. Ang kanilang skipper, si Roldan.
Amigos Vegas na.
Nice pa. Okay, Roldan for the inbound.
Point lead enjoyed by Gas.
Roldan for the inbound.
Official score 40. 24.
Canton. Wala bali ba yung Canton? Binabawa ni JP. Defensor, swiped away by defensor. Quick hands by defensor. Quick hands by defensor. Okay, balik tayo. Padilla. Pops up Bart. In and out.
Lawrence Padilla.
Wala pa rin. Nando si defensor. Kick pass kagad kay Santos nga napunta. Joseph Carmona is watching. Losada, labas mo na raw. Okay, JP, Losada. Pops up. Tapos.
Rebound, defensor, 2 against 1, making 2 against 2. Defensor, pass to Canton.
Defensor, foul call. Foul on Barts for sure.
First personal, first team foul.
Barts natawagan ng foul, defensor. Ano nangyari dito? Dami na.
Missing the first score, defensor. Basket. Losada. Padilla. May foul tayo. Foul na middle jersey number 99. First personal foul on Contreras.
Losada. Wala. Kick pass kay Canton. Nice pass. Bam siya. Lena 2 points.
It's Minions time now.
Oopsie Daisy. Foul.
Jersey number 10, Lena. Second personal foul on the other.
Shoutout po kay Sakin daw. Thank you po, sir. Shoutout din sir. Binabati rin kita. Uy! Mali pasa. Tumama sa ring. Balik muli po sa kasang bola at 8:14 remaining. 8:14 remaining. Yes.
8 minutes.
Third quarter action. 43-24.
Defensor, Lena.
Lena again! Tapos. Defensor.
Defensor.
Muntik pang mano yun.
Watch. Pass to Losada.
Losada to JP. Penetration. JP. Jolens. Sir Ace is watching. Yes, sirree. Canton. Paso ang bola yaton. Jolens din kay Canton. Jolens.
Foul committed on jersey number 25, Losada. First personal foul, second team foul. Boleros. Runs free throw on the line, Canton. Completing the 3-point play.
Okay, Canton. Pasok ang bola kay Canton ng bola. Binabang bola ngayon. Boleros again. On the attack, Santos. Nope, ayun.
JP, making
2 points,
basket.
JP. Okay, sir score. Sir Isa, laman po kayo, 46-28. Laman po ang Cas. Lex Roldan, Ma'am Lexi. Laman po kayo, laman po si ang team po ni Roldan, 46-28 po. Cas po ang may labang at 65-655 remaining. Tops up, Kapos. Padilla naka-rebound. Padilla to Mr. Alam mo na yan, kay Mr. JP. JP, wala, ayaw. Padilla, number 10. And now to Mr. Rosada. Kapos. Ayun na, defensor. Scoop pass. Jordinar Canton, palpal. Binababang bola ngayon, Santos. Ayun, Bart. Kumuha ng foul kay Roldan.
First personal foul over.
Idol. Ayan.
Substitution.
Okay. First shot by Barts. Wala.
This is the first for Barts. This is 8 shots malamangan.
Second shot by Barts.
46-28.
Wala. Pareho.
Rebound
Contreras, yung kanilang perimeter king.
Canton.
Canton, binuhat, nice one. Nandun pa rin. Binabang bola, JP. Palpal! Ang haba ng galamay ni Boss Defensor.
Substitution.
Okay, labas muna do po. Sabi ni Paul Pantatay ko yan, ayos, laro, ha. Sabi ni Madam Lexi Roldan. Oy, ano yun? Ano yun? What happened? Isa pa daw, one more time. Binababang again, of course. Paul Pantatay ko yan. Sabi ni Madam Lexi Roldan. Okay. Roldan.
Pass to David.
David. Rocamora coach.
Pass to
David. Binabantay. Double team.
Swing to Rocamora.
Coach Rocamora. Roldan. Jade. Defensor. Pam. No good. Rebound again. Fresh 14.
Fresh 14. Down to 10.
Pops up. Contreras. Wala pa rin. Binabang bola. Yan na. Number 18. And now, Mabunga. And Benji pops up. No good. Rebound battle. Roldan. Coach Zamora. Wala pa rin! Babagay Julius, 46-28. Laman po ang Cas. I repeat, 46-28 naman po ang Cas at 4:50 remaining. Boleros. Ron, nakalusot. 2 points.
Basket. Down to 16-20.
Binababang bola. Ito na, Mr. Defensor, Mr. D for Defensor. Ito na, si Mr. Omas. Pops up. David, wala. Rebound, Contreras, lost the ball. Binabang bola. Benji to Ron. Tapos. Defensor, nakashoot. Defensor. Nope, it's Coach Rocamora. Tapos. Pumasok na rin sa wakas.
Welcome to the scoreboard.
Welcome. Nakapasok. Nakabusdok.
18-20.
Shoutout po kay Roldan. Ang tate ko, uwi ka na raw.
Using the board.
Using the board. It's good. Binababa ang bola.
Contreras.
Omas. No good.
Padilla.
Padilla. Roldan, umuwi ka na raw, sabi ng anak mo.
16.8.
And Ron, ayun.
Pass to Mabunga.
Mabunga, naipit ang konti. Padilla.
Back to Benji.
Benji, driving show. Wow!
From David. Jersey number 17, David, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Warning for penalty, gas. Down to 15.8. Make it 14.
Padilla again. Benji. Dang.
12.8. Three minutes. Rohamora, double team, kick out, 10 shot now. 30.
Joke lang.
Benji. Using the board.
Nope.
Rebound, Mabunga.
Wala pa rin. Binabian shot.
Defensor with rebound. Canton. Rebound was sailed by Ron. 2 against 1. Ron, dalawa sila. Isa ka na. Defensor. Canton.
Anton.
Behind the back pass. Sumara.
Tumuloy lang ang bola.
Benitez. Still by Defensor. Pass to Risa Rowan.
Nawala ang bola.
Ron. Benitez.
Malakas.
Airball. Boas. Owens. Jumper.
Owens, so kumara 2 points.
Timeout.
Greatest rise to watching.
Back-to-back jumper, Sir Owens. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Sira. Nasira na.
Santos. Pass to JP. Almost a block. Bother by the defense of Defensor. Santos now. That is control. Santos.
Wala pa rin.
Defensor. Benji with the rescue.
Benji. Wala pa rin. Same ball.
Pass ball. 1 minute remaining. Anton, pass to Defensor. Wide open 3, wala.
Out of bounds. 40 minutes remaining. Third quarter action.
$45 seconds.
Benji.
14 shot clock.
Benji again.
Down to 10. Santos.
Kapos.
Ball, 27 seconds. Make it 26 seconds. $14.8.
Okay, 50-36.
13 shot clock. 10,
Canton.
5,
Roldan. Coach Rocamora. Bang! Sini!
buzzer beater.
Wala rin. Sayang. Okay.
End of the third quarter.
Okay.
6 point.
This is your A-Base of Doubles of Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Kaya din si Timberlake ang pahali ng padala. And of course, ang Thread the Needles. And of course, ito pa SBB Ara and PSB Wapsub League. Ito pa ating participating teams sa ating po season number 5. And of course, ito pang ating eliminations. Eliminations and final game for the day po is played na between Cas and Boleros. Ayan ha.
Final quarter.
Malala po natin po yan. Yes. Okay. Final quarter na po tayo. Sir Pasi. Final quarter po tayo. Final quarter. 52-36 ang kalamangan po natin po is 52-36. Pops up, ayaw, passing. Pops up, Padilla. No good. Rebound, defensor again.
Pass.
Lena. Lena again.
In medium style. Medium style ngayon.
Ron. Mabunga. Mabunga again.
Jerome.
Wala.
Defensor.
So pinatong bola. Ayan na.
David. Isa pang
David.
pindot.
Wala.
Steal by Ron.
Ron. Ron. Pops up.
Pulling the trigger.
No good.
Wala. Ron on with the rebound. Pass to David.
David.
Pass to Lena.
Lena again. Wala. Muntik na.
Passing.
Pasi. To Ron. 17. Ron. Jolens.
Basket.
Sorry. Jolens. Running hoop shot by Ron. 8:45 remaining.
16-point lead.
Foul. Holy foul called on jersey number 17.
Second personal foul, first team foul.
Tayo AC.
Ron.
Pasi.
Swing to Mabunga.
Mabunga. Wala.
Rebound, defensor. Pangapat.
Okay, foul. Hindi, out of bounds. Stepping.
7 minutes,
Stepping.
50 seconds.
Pasi. Igalaw mo yung bola.
Padilla.
Mabunga again. No good. Ayun lang. Nice one by putback by Benji.
Point lead. Yena.
3 points, Lena.
Ako! Candidate na to. Warner. Pocket three. Ron. Jumper. Still a 15-point lead. Defensor, 6 seconds. Crossover. Double team, swing to the line. Then shot clock. Contreras. Ayan ka isa.
Bang! Sini.
Six minutes and 15.
Ron. Swipe away. O yun lang.
Same ball tayo. Substitution.
Hello?
6 minutes 40 seconds.
Hello?
Lozada.
Hello?
Ron, jumper.
Jumper
Three.
made, good.
14-point lead. Minutes and 20. Different zone. Contreras and shot clock. Rebound, Padilla.
Padilla.
Turnover. 6 minutes to be exact.
Wala.
Unexpected pass yun, ha? JP. Steal by Contreras. Anticipated na move ka lang.
Renzo Manus watching.
Contreras.
Dirk Barros is watching. Contreras. Wala.
Rebound nila. Ako po. JP. Benji. Ron. Zigzagging. Jumper. Rebound. Tontan. Chase down by Benji. Control the leather. Benji. Rebound. Lozada. Wala pa rin. Dimenso. Pass to Contreras. Roldan. Back to Contreras. Rebound Roldan. Umaas. Chase down. Ibigay mo kay Lena. Yan ang hotdog. Here comes the ball!
Lena, pasok.
Aba, hindi na biro yan. JB. Takbo ulit na. Corner pocket ulit. 4 minutes. Ayan na lang.
Lena.
Good night. Rodan. Omas. Contreras. Lena. Naku po. Anticipated. Nakuha pa. Rebound Omas. 5 shot na. Tumawa. Let's go.
Nasaan pero lang.
Benji.
3 points, Benji. Boy India's watching.
Omas. Naku. Pinagbigyan ulit.
Wala.
Foul committed. Substitution.
Sabo na po tayo at 3:15 remaining. 64-48 po tayo. Okay. First shot Umas.
Line up.
First shot Umas. Hindi po pumasok. Second shot Umas. Wala. 3:15 remaining. 64-48.
Benji.
Lozada for 3. Tapos. Okay, JP ng puslo.
JB. Basket. David. Rocamora. Back to Roldan. 10 shot clock. Lena. Pumatake pa.
Wala.
5 shot na.
Wala pa rin. 2:33 remaining. Oop. And one playing.
Time out. Boleros.
Boleros go for the timeout. At exactly 2:28 remaining. 64-50 ang score po natin.
12-point lead. Back to the ball game. Point lead.
Balik tayo sa ating laro ngayon.
Bonus shot lang yan, ha?
JP plus 1 free throw. 2:28 remaining. Pops up JP. Wala. Rebound, Roldan. Nando si Benji din naman for 3. Wala. And Coach Okamura out of bounds. Okay, bola po ng Cas. Coach Okamura for the inbound. Naba po ngayon. Ito na, binapo ngayon. Ito po tayo. David.
Pass to
Lena. Binababad sila Lena ngayon.
14 shot lang. Double team si Ronan.
Foul!
Niyakap kasi sayang.
Foul called.
Foul. 1 guards.
Okay, Coach Rocamora for the inbound. Number 7, Rocamora.
2 minutes.
Barts, binabantayan. Nakuha ng pick. Roldan, lost the ball almost.
5 to shoot. Rebound, Marks.
Barts. Wala.
Puntahan, rebound.
Rocamora.
1 minute and 30.
A minute and 30 remaining.
14 shot lang. Down to 10.
Tomas, pops up. Wala.
Extend yun,
Okay, safety basket lang po tayo, mga boss. Tansya ko, dahil kasi at this point po,
JP.
talagang JP. No good still. Barts.
Power rebound.
Nawala. Wala na.
1 minute.
A minute remaining. Oh. David. Bang!
Medium time today.
Safety basket lang po, sir. Thank you. Benji.
Benji,
Okay.
Rebound. Donentes.
Okay, Durentes, 2 points.
Basket. Sir Owens.
Wala.
25 seconds.
Arnang for 3. Wala.
Ito na kay Sir Owens na to. Kay Sir Owens na to. 15 seconds.
Lena. JP. Okay, wala na.
Alright.
Okay, that's it.
That's the end of the ball game. Winner. Yeah.
Winner! Final score, 67-54. Team Cas, maraming sana po. And balik muli po tayo next week po. This coming Friday and Saturday po natin po sa ating Aviation Friday Doubles of Flying Day. Maraming salamat po.